Work from light to dark. With watercolor, it's important to lay down your light colors first and work towards the darker colors. We start with the light colors first because once you lay down the dark colors, it's hard to undo. Due to the transparency of watercolor, your light colors won't show if they're covered up by dark colors. Also, the white and light areas of your painting are coming from the paper, so plan ahead and keep in mind which areas you want to keep white. Water to paint ratio. The water to paint ratio will change depending on what you're trying to achieve. Too much water can result in colors that are too light, whereas too little water can result in thick colors that don't flow or lay down properly. Wet on dry technique and wet on wet technique. There are many techniques you can use while watercolor painting, but here are two basic techniques that will give you different results depending on what you're going for. Wet on wet. Wet paint is applied to wet paper or added to a wash of fresh paint. This creates a fluid, fun and unpredictable effect. There is less control with a wet on wet technique. To try it, lay down clean water on the paper, then add watercolor paint to the wet areas. You'll see the paint flows to the wet areas. Wet on dry. Applying wet paint onto dry paper or wet paint onto an area of dry paint. This technique allows for more control and crisp, defined edges. The paint will only go where your brush takes it. Thanks for watching.